Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So Kylie Cosmetics has been launching things back to back, and I want to show you guys in a dedicated video everything that she has recently launched. So she recently launched matte liquid eyeshadows, and she also came out with her Kylash mascara. I'm going to show you guys what these colors look like individually on the eyes and share with you guys my thoughts in regards to this mascara here. And then also I just received a box of lipsticks. There's a total of 24 different shades. 13 of them are matte shades and 13 are cream shades. I'm going to show you what they look like on my lips. My lips definitely got irritated in this video, so make sure you do give my video a thumbs up for the effort that I put into creating this video that you guys are watching right now. And subscribe to my channel before we get started. I'm Tracy, and I'm here to share with you guys the latest launches in beauty. So I hope to see you around here on my channel. Since I am going to show you guys swatches of the liquid eyeshadows, you guys are going to see a close-up of me without any makeup, and my eyebrows right now, girl, they're in need of some attention. I haven't plucked them because if you didn't know, I have been selected as a contestant for the Benefit Brow Surge. So I'm going to be traveling to New Jersey to compete with 23 other people in hopes to win $50,000 in the Brow Surge. So excited. I hope you guys follow me along on my journey on Instagram, because on Instagram I'm going to be sharing my experience through my stories. So I hope you guys do follow me on there. And also over on my TikTok, I hope to vlog, but I'm not the best at vlogging. So if you want to watch my experience, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. All of my social media handles are linked down below in the description box. And again, I'm warning you, my eyebrows are bushy. My first challenge has something to do with that. Now let's go ahead and dive into today's video review of new Kylie Cosmetics products. Alrighty, so we have the liquid shadows right over here. These here retail for, let me take a look. They retail for $20 each. You could buy the bundle. I'm not too sure. I'll have everything linked down below in the description box so you guys can check out the prices on the website. These are the matte liquid eyeshadows, effortless eyeshadow that stays put for up to 12 hours. Their whipped cream to powder texture leaves a visibly blurred soft matte finish. They're weightless and comfortable on the eyelids. It doesn't crease or smudge. It offers ample playtime before drying, easily buildable without streaks or patchiness. It has a flexible doe foot, replicates finger tapping for a mess-free application. This product is clean, vegan, and suitable for sensitive eyes. Now let's read up on the mascara. The mascara is called the Kylash Volume Mascara. Get lifted, defined, and fuller lashes with my Kylash Volume Mascara, featuring a clean and vegan formula that doesn't compromise on performance. This mascara provides volume, length, and holds curl. The key ingredients in this mascara are grapeseed oil and provitamin B5, which gives you lash-loving actives that strengthen and protect lashes with every wear. It's also vegan-friendly waxes. It has rice bran and carnauba waxes, which give you weightless lift, shape, and stretched lash effect. There's a total of 13 matte lipsticks that she recently launched as well. Kylie says, my matte lipstick delivers highly pigmented, weightless color in just one swipe. Featuring a moisture-rich formula with hyaluronic acid, it leaves your lips hydrated for 8 hours with a soft matte finish. This silky lipstick is perfect for when you want a comfortable, non-drying matte lip. A little bit about this cream formula lipstick is that my cream lipstick is a creamy, comfortable formula that delivers a color-rich satin sheen finish. Featuring a non-sticky and lightweight texture, it effortlessly glides on without feathering or settling into lip lines. This formula hydrates and moisturizes for 8 hours, leaving lips instantly soft. Now that I shared with you guys some information about the products, I'm going to jump into trying them all out for you guys and showing you swatches of everything. This first shade is probably my favorite one. It's the matte liquid eyeshadow in the color It's Her World. And you guys can see how much coverage this gives. My eyelids are losing pigment, so you guys can definitely see that this has great coverage and it blends out super easily. It does dry down to a matte finish, so you're not going to get any creasing with this liquid eyeshadow. Now moving to the other eye, I'm going to be playing around with the color in Actual Mood. We're going to be applying it on the lid like so. Ooh, I got it on the eyelash. So just taking a brush, this is a fluffy blending brush. It's the Frankie Rose Blend 60 brush. I do have a discount code with them, which is just my name, Tracy. I will have the link in my description box along with my discount code so it can take you directly over to Frankie Rose's website. The nice thing about this liquid eyeshadow is that you can go in with your finger to diffuse the outer corners, like the edges of the eyeshadow, to soften it up. I know this is not my neatest application. I just want you guys to get a good idea of what these eyeshadows look like on the eyes. Again, the one I have over here is called An Actual Mood. And then over on this side is called It's Her World. So It's Her World, An Actual Mood. That's the difference between both of these colors. Let me fully remove this carefully and then jump into the next two shades. I love the shades that she came out with because you can just use one color and it completes a whole look. They're easy to use, easy to blend. And yeah, I'm going to try the color Always in Season now. This is a lighter shade. I also am cleaning the brush before trying these shades so it doesn't mesh with the previous color that I tried on. So I'm going to begin by tapping it all throughout the lid. This next one is a little bit of a darker color. It's not the darkest from the collection. It's called Two Steps Ahead. Ooh, this kind of matches my eyelid. That's how dark my eyelids are going to get in the future. Let me blend this out. A little recap over on this eye right here. We have Always in Season. And on this eye, we have Two Steps Ahead. Always in Season and Two Steps Ahead. I was going to try this one with an overall look on my face, but I feel like it wouldn't be fair because it's going to look a lot neater once I have my complexion on. So I just want to show you guys this color here, how I showed you the other ones, because I know it kind of may look messy on camera. And again, I was just trying to show you guys how these colors look like on the eyes. I was not putting any effort into blending it out and making it look pretty. This color that I'm trying is called On to the Next. And this is the darkest shade out of all of them. This is definitely good for a smoky eye. So once I have packed it on, I'm going to start to work on the edges like so. And you can definitely use the other colors with this one just to soften up the edges, but it defeats the purpose of like doing something on the go and very quickly. Again, this one is called On to the Next. I just did my complexion off of camera. I'm going to go into this liquid shadow called Two Steps Ahead and apply it all throughout the lid. I decided on this color because I want to do something kind of like smoky-ish. This is the second to darkest eyeshadow color. It's not the darkest, but it's second to it. So just again, packing it onto the eyelid and then carefully start to blend out the outer edges. You guys can kind of see this blending out a little bit better than what I previously did. And it's definitely looking neater other than the growth of my eyebrows right now. Girl, it is really bothering me that I can't pluck my eyebrows. Look how beautiful and soft that looks. I love how effortless it is as well. Just doing that. I think that that's all I'm going to be doing for the eyes. I am going to go into this mascara. I think there's only a black mascara. I'm pretty sure there's only a black mascara. Let me curl the eyelashes first. I've already been using this mascara quite a few times and I am giving you guys my honest review with these products. I am a huge fan of liquid eyeshadows, so I will tell you that I love all the colors and I also love how easy they blend out. Love them. Definitely give them a try if you have sensitive eyes and you're looking for something quick and effortless. These are going to be your go-to. Now, as far as mascara, the formula does not dry down quickly, but what I do really like about this mascara is that it's designed for people that have sensitive eyes like myself. Yeah, I just really don't enjoy how it builds up. Like, it makes my eyelashes look very clumpy. That just fell on my face right here. And you guys see how it just starts to fall onto my face as it builds up. This mascara is really based on preference. I know that some people really do enjoy the clumpiness of a mascara. I personally don't, and I also don't like how it starts to fall throughout the day. I do have to give it quite a minute for it to fully dry down, so just take a look. If you have watery eyes, this mascara is definitely not going to be for you because it takes a while to dry down. So you guys can see the difference in my eyelashes. Quite a difference. But you guys be the judge. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. How do you guys think my eyelashes look? Now that I'm looking at them right now on camera, they actually look really good. Even if it does look a little bit on the clumpy side, it makes my eyelashes look a lot bigger. Maybe I'm not mad at the clumpiness. I'm just mad at how long it takes to dry down. Maybe I'm just having a good makeup day because I'm really liking my eyelashes today. I was watching Kylie's video review on her YouTube channel about this, and she mentions how she doesn't like putting a lot of mascara on her bottom lashes because she has a lot of lashes. I really wish I had that problem. I have like 4 strands of hair down here. So I try to build up on it as much as possible. But I do get really nervous because the formula stays wet. And I can't sneeze when I do this. I can't blink too much. It's this corner for me. The wand is not making it easy to get in this outer corner right here. Okay, so that is it for the eyes. I'm going to quickly do my hair off of camera because I'm going to be doing a video for TikTok as well, trying out the new lipsticks from Kylie Cosmetics. I'm going to also do it here for my YouTube channel, so just give me a minute. All right, so we have quite a bit of lipsticks to go through. We have the top row and also the bottom row. I'm just going to show you guys on the screen what they look like. I'm not going to be talking, so this is just going to be all music, showing you guys every single color. Please comment down below which color is your favorite and which one you guys will be picking up. So let's get started because it's going to be a long swatch. Hopefully my lips do okay after all this.
virgin birth. But she's from Nicaragua, thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time, no party. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh, no. I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn on. I wanna make you. That's the least I'ma do. Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel it. Feel it, baby, can you feel it, baby? Can you feel it, baby, can you feel it, baby? Ooh. Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel it. Feel it, baby, can you feel it, baby? Can you feel it, baby, can you feel it, baby? Oh. Feel it, baby. Can you feel it, baby? Feel it, baby. Can you feel it, baby? Oh. Feel it, baby. Can you feel it, baby? 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 Feel it, baby. I don't just wanna chill with you. I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn you on. I wanna make you. That's the least I'ma do. Ooh. Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel it. Feel it, baby, can you feel it, baby? Can you feel it, baby, can you feel it, baby? Ooh. Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill.
All right, friends, I'm going to leave you guys here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys give my video a thumbs up so it gets pushed out in the algorithm and more people find my channel. I appreciate your guys' support so much. I'm going to leave you guys with my latest uploads linked right over here. You can tap on any of those so you can continue to hang out with me, and hopefully I do see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.